Hi guys! So today I would like to show you my new package from the Decor Polish brand. I've just received a parcel and let's see what's inside. This is the new collection, Hours of Longing by Karolina Bukowska. This is the mixed media collection by Clock. And let's just open this very beautiful pad of pattern paper. I would like to show you the designs. They are stunning because it cannot be the other way when you mix brown with blue. This is always a win-win. So let's see. Hours of Longing, very serene and romantic, but with deep dark blue shades inside, and wow, just see. And flowers and butterflies, very vintage, but not boring at all. See the shades. This watercolor but watercolor designs are just something to die for. I've been waiting for this collection for some time already, and now I'm very happy I finally have it. The roses, brown, blue, and all the other semitones. Very beautiful collection. Wow. So Clock is consistent with their production, and together with the 12 per 12 inches pad, there also comes the color chipboard, as with every other mixed media collection. They also sent me some rice paper. Let's take a look inside. So here are some elements which suit with the pattern paper. Very suitable for all kinds of decoupage projects and any other mixed media projects. There is also junk journal extra set. This is a set of paper, of thinner paper, which can be cut into parts, into cards, as you can see here, or just used as the bigger sheet with designs. And there are also this kind of romantic, kind of old paper cards which you can cut out and just use for decoration in your junk journals. Just see. So this is definitely a useful addition to the big pad. And what else they have together with this collection is the cover. The cover is really deep blue. It's just gorgeous. I will not pick it out from the plastic, but it's like always the same size as all the covers by Clock. It's pretty big one, suitable to make a cover of the album, for example. And together with this, I also got some extras to cut, some sheets with cutting elements. Let's just look inside. Beautiful blue flowers, more and more, and gorgeous monochromatic white and gray images. Just see the raven, it's awesome. These are suitable with the same collection. Very beautiful set of pattern paper and decorations. It's called, once again, Hours of Longing. I can highly recommend this collection to all the mixed media and any kind of other scrapbooking paper lovers. Together with this, I've also received some other papers from Clock. And let's just look through the package from a Brussels quickly. Plum in chocolate. This is very beautiful one also. I was waiting for this collection. It's also vintage, but it's purple and it's greenish brown. Gorgeous. And some rice paper together with this. There's something else inside. Let's see. As I've just joined the other design team by Clock, brand new design team they have arranged, which is called Home Decor. So I've received some papers to work with, both for mixed media design team and for Home Decor team. And it means that you will see some more video tutorials from me, at least 2 tutorials per month on YouTube with Clock materials. Wow, this is just something I think this comes with Vintage Treasure. Very beautiful rice papers. I just love them. What about you? And this one comes together with Age of Gentleman, I think. Another collection, vintage again, but with a more masculine tone. I also have a big one of this design, and think I will definitely use it, because there are not so many masculine collections at all in the world, and I am always very happy when I see something like this, because I make pretty many masculine projects. I maybe don't show them all, but especially cards. I like masculine cards a lot. And my friends, all my friends order the cards for their husbands and brothers and man colleagues from me. So let's see something more lovely when you smile. Very beautiful paper. And another one is Hello Beauty. And some more carton elements. Let's just see inside. This is very good, but they always send some carton elements together with the paper pads, because I really like multi-layered projects, and this kind of decorative elements is a must-have for me. And all kind of leaves, of course, and flowers. This is something a scrapper cannot live without. I cut them in tones, and I always use the leaves in my projects. The roses, another roses. So all these content elements are available for purchase together with the pattern paper pads. Wow! Yes, great! I already can't wait to cut it all up. And I also received some minor pads of the same collections. And Rose of Longing, of course. The 8x8 inch pads of Crafted Lock, they are the same, of the different thickness. They are 190 grams, and it's probably even more useful when you work with when you make picture albums, because you don't really need a really thick paper for the sheets of the picture albums, photo albums. So I can totally recommend these smaller pads. There's also some chipboard and a smaller pad, and also something totally new, which I have not got before, not once, from Crafted Lock. It's a chipboard by Crafted Lock. Let's see inside. I think it's the new addition to their product line, and probably they will develop it even more. So beautiful white, pretty thick. It's about 1.5, I think, or maybe even 2 millimeters thick. White chipboard, not burnt. It's really beautiful. And some more. And as a member of Home Decor design team, I also got some MDF blanks to work with. I think it's by it's from Craft Tula. It's a partner of Crafted Lock in this home decor direction. So I will definitely work with these blanks and decorate them with the papers. It's gonna be fun. Oh, what's this? Okay, I have to open it first to know what is this actually. I will do it a bit later. But for now, thank you very much for your attention. Thanks to Crafted Lock for another generous package. I just don't know what to tell more, because I just love being on design team of this brand, and I really think they have a great potential and a really bright future, because the quality is amazing, the designs are beautiful, and the designer ladies who are behind the scenes, they are really active and really talented, and I just can't wait what next they will think of. So if you don't yet follow Crafted Lock, just find them on social media, or check the description of my video. I will put the links there, and follow them definitely, and try the paper, try the products. They are all super good, and just be inspired. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye bye.